Hello children, today we will learn about primary duty. We get many facilities where we reside or dwell. To preserve and maintain them is our moral duty. Moral duty means primary duty, the duties which are compulsory to be performed. We use water, hence it is our duty to utilize it carefully. Children, you can see in your surroundings there are some facilities which are provided to us. It becomes our primary duty to maintain it. You can see temples, market, hospitals, schools, public parks, all these should be preserved. As written in your textbook, water should be used carefully. You know children, our earth is covered with 70% of water, rest of which is land, that is 30%. Out of this 70% of water, only 2.5% of water is fresh. Out of this 2.5% also 1% is found in glaciers or in frozen form. That is why water should be conserved and used judiciously. It is our duty to maintain the trees, streets and our environment. Trees are very important part of environment children. If one tree is cut down, one more tree should be grown to replace it. Trees are very helpful to us. They provide us food, wood, medicines, fiber, gum, tea and coffee. Plants supply us with life-giving oxygen without which no one can survive on this earth. No living being can survive on earth without oxygen which is supplied by plants. Plants reduce soil erosion. Plants are responsible for good rainfall too. We need to grow more and more trees since we depend on them. Streets. Streets are made by government for all the citizens. We should not throw garbage here and there on streets. It is government's property, so it should be properly used. Next comes is our environment. Our environment consists of living and non-living components like air, water, land, plants and animals. This term is most applied to the earth or some parts of earth. So children, we should save our environment sensibly. So in my next video, you will be studying about good habits and bad habits. So bye bye children, stay connected.